next Tuesday, June 26th till June 28th for 3 full days. We'll be doing our mid-year 2018 Titanium Conference. This year is really awesome. This year we have a very special guest speakers, Dr. Ike Reichert, all the way from Atlanta. If you don't know Dr. Ike, many people, he teach leadership, sales, advanced DISC. He spoke all the way to U.S. Congress, as well as he's a counsel for the Chick-fil-A in Atlanta. So he will be here with us, exclusive only for our team, next Tuesday. You don't want to miss out. We will also be having our team life coach Dion Hunt will be here with us for all 3 days. It's going to be an awesome 3 days. We focus on how to master our VIP home buying system. VIP home selling system is full 3 days from 8 in the morning till around 5 to 6. Okay, and also on Tuesday, on the first day, towards the end on the first day, we are having a very special guest from the city of San Gabriel, the mayor of San Gabriel, as well as all the city councils and all the men and women in the city governments actually in San Gabriel Valley will be here to celebrate our city. So you don't want to miss out. There's a lot of learning, there's a lot of teaching. Not only you're gonna learn a lot on how to make more money in less time, you're gonna master on how to deliver high quality service. Not only that, how to give something to clients that they cannot get anywhere else from our competitors. For example, we're gonna go deep on how to have access to homes that the buyers cannot get online, for example. And then we're gonna go with our VIP buyer system, VIP home seller system. There's a lot of new improvements that you never seen before. I'm gonna release it at our conference. You definitely don't wanna miss out. And for sure, you don't wanna miss on each day. We're gonna be special entertainment with Anita Rachel Bruno. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, a lot of learning, a lot of mastermind. This year 2018 we do a lot of changes. We're gonna sit in a round table discussion. So it's gonna be it's more like a mastermind rather than me preaching and teaching for the whole 3 days. So it's gonna be really fun, and the goal is only one, is to transform your life. When you walk away, so for June 26, 27, 28, for all 3 days, at the end of 3 days, you're gonna walk away as a different person. The goal is to make 2018, this year, be your best year ever. Oh, by the way, these events to have guest speakers like Dr. Ike, Dion Hunt, and as well as the rest of the special secret guest speakers that you're gonna have at this event. Typically people paying tens of thousands of dollars, but this is all included for everybody at Titanium Network. In fact, our office will be closed for those 3 days. Everybody will be together, our admin staff, our inside sales team, outside sales team, all of our leadership team. For all 3 days we're gonna be together as one to make sure moving forward we can dominate the marketplace. You definitely don't want to miss out. You and your family are invited for our team. Your family are invited, because a family that learns together, grows together, we have fun together. So your family are definitely invited. You just have to let us know, comment below like how many seats. If you come in more than one person, make sure you let knows how many persons, so we can make a proper arrangements. Now we make this available to the public as well. If you are from the outside, you are watching this, you can apply to join our 3-day conference, to join our award-winning real estate sales team. For full 3 days, you're gonna get a special advanced leadership sales DISC training from Dr. Ike Reichert, as well as a special session with our life coach Dion Hunt, and we're gonna get a meet and greet session with all the with most of the who's who in San Gabriel Valley. We have people from the office of the mayor office in the area, from the Senate office will be here, so it's gonna be fun. If you want to join us, you can apply. All you need to do, send an email to 2018 conference 2018 conference at teamnewvision.net. Again, if you are not part of our Team New Vision network, if you are not part of our Titanium network and you like to attend this, all you need to do is send an email to, you can apply by going to 2018 conference at teamnewvision.net. So for all 3 days, it's going to be $2,500 for one person. If you have two people, it's going to be $3,000 for two, or $2,500 for one. And you're gonna if you get accepted, then you can be part of our 3 days conference. Either way, I'm looking forward to seeing you at the 3-day conference.